Great. So, hello everyone. We are from the Vincenzo Group, and today, in this occasion, we will present the final result of our project, and the namely is Environmental Graphic Design to Kebun Raya Bogor. So, for the cluster one, will be presented by me. The planning. Bogor Botanical Garden is one of the oldest botanical gardens in Indonesia and Southeast Asia with an area of around 87 hectares. Knowing how vast this botanical garden is, the existence of environmental graphic design is certainly increasingly important to prevent visitors and new staff who are not familiar with the structure of Bogor Botanical Garden from getting lost or breaking the rules. For that, we conducted an AGD analysis at the Bogor Botanical Gardens to identify problem, design needs, and develop wayfinding at the Bogor Botanical Garden. We also made this so that visitors get a new experience after visiting the Bogor Botanical Gardens. And next is the problem analysis. Identifying problem related to the design of the graphic environmental in Bogor Botanical Garden includes analyzing visitor needs and potential design development, followed by alternative solution and strategies for implementing an integrated design to improve visitor experience and comfort. And next is observation. Conducting direct observation at the Bogor Botanical Garden to help evaluate the wayfinding aspect of several areas in the Bogor Botanical Gardens. By observing the signs and signs, we can identify locations that need improvement or additional information to make it easier for visitors to find their destinations. And the next, I will explain about the work timeline. For the weeks 1 and 2, we have location determinations, and third week, we have location survey. Weeks 4 and 5, data processings, and next is 6 week brainstorming. Weeks 8 and 7, design process, and the last one is 10 weeks, evaluations. So, for the next cluster, will explain by Sultan and Devani.
Problem identification. There is the problem that we found when visiting the location related to the signage system is some misinformation related to existing signs, such as the location of some signs that are less strategic. In addition, there is also confusion regarding the wayfinding system. For the profile, the Bogor Botanical Garden is a botanical garden located in Bogor City, West Java, with an area of about 87 hectares. It was established in 1817 and has more than 15,000 species of plants, including rare and endemic collections. Bogor Botanical Garden serves as a center for conservation, research, education, and recreation. Next, please. There is also the vision to be one of the best botanical gardens in the world in tropical plant conservation and research, environmental education, and tourism. They also have the mission to strengthen the scientific base in the management of the collection, develop an exit-to-plan management model in the form of botanical garden, provide technical guidance and supervision on the development of botanical gardens in Indonesia, improve the quality of research in the field of conservation, domestication, botanical economics, and the introduction of Indonesian plants, disseminate and commercialize its research for products, strengthening institutional management towards bureaucratic reform, a region free from corruption with the WBK and a clean bureaucratic area serving WBDM. Improving the quality of public service, including the quality of environmental education and the provision of scientific information. They overall has a mission to strengthening cooperation networks with stakeholders, but from within and outside the country. Within and outside the country. Next slide. This is the Kebun Raya Bogor logo and color palette. Next slide, please. There, the location of the Bogor Botanical Garden is located at Jalan IR Juanda, number 13, Bogor City, West Java, 1612. Bogor Botanical Garden is divided into 18 interesting areas. Unfortunately, due to several things, we only have time to visit a few areas. Among them, there are the parking area, Mexican Park, Aquatic Garden, giant waters, there's also etc. And there's also the list of areas that we haven't visited, and there are a total 8 of them. Next slide, please. This is the social media platform. As you can see, we can find it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. They also have a website, email, and phone number. Next slide, please. The Bogor Botanical Garden was established on May 18, 1817 by the district and Swiss government. Initially, the garden was only going to be used on spermaganda population crops that were introduced in the East Indies. You can find about this in their website, more including the operational time. Next slide, please. Um, mm, the next category is who internal users. There are managers, operational staff, education and research team, service partners, external. There are also external users such as tourist, educational institution, research and academics from outside institution, environmental event organizers. Next, please. There are also geographic segmentations and also demographic segmentation in here. Next slide, please. We also have the behavioral segmentation extending to society graphic. It includes the behavior. And then there is problem description. There are name tags, applicable brand sign, the instance of danger sign, the number of sign, lack of sign, many signs, direction signs, signature that is too small, and confusing directions. Next, please. There are also some contributions that we researched regarding the issue. There are a total of 4 points in here. Um, we also have like some question in here, like how was this research conducted, and what is the solution to solve the problem in Bogor Botanical Garden? Uh, Next slide. How much? Next is how much? How many people are confused with wayfinding and fairness in Bogor Botanical Garden? And after conducting interviews, that there are the it was common confusion that users are experiencing. There are also question of how many signs need to be revealed, and there are total of five signs that need to be revealed. Next, please.
Okay, next I will be continue. So this for the user flow, we made it. And next, please. And this for the eye level. And next, please. And this is for the brainstorming. Next, please. And this for the user persona, we have 3. And next, please. And this is for the mood board. Okay, next, please. And this for wayfinding and signage requirements. 1. There are 20 roads where we need to at least 45 sites in the form of magazine that are placed on each road, disjunction and intersection. Next, in the area we have decided we need about 50 warning board about the rules and restriction in the Bogor Botanical Garden. And last, in special area we need to list 113 sites to be placed in several spots such as trash bin, facing site, warning site, and toilet site. Next, please. And this is for the roadmap. Okay. Next. And this for the SWOT analysis strength. Bogor Botanical Garden, renowned reputation, is one of the most famous botanical gardens in Indonesia and in the world, and offers a wide variety of plants that are unique and rarely found elsewhere, being in a popular destination for local and international tourists. Weakness: lack of facilities and infrastructure, confusing posting system to get to location due to the faster of the flash. The funders are government funding, no clear information, the tickets shall not be thrown away. Opportunities utilize modern technology and improve promotion in increase tourists offer a more interactive and educational experience for visitors. Utilize governments for development and maintenance. Third, the existence of new competitors in the ecotourism sector can attract visitors. The threat of climate change, the call after the sustainability of the botanical gardens. Next, please. Okay, this for the metric SWOT. Next, please. Okay, next, benchmarking. Kebun Raya Bogor, weakness. The botanical garden does not have a physical burden for visitors to carry. All sites have not been replaced, reducing ability. Some sites have small text and are difficult to read. Falling branch caution 693, where branches fall should be placed before area where branches after fall. Park vision, site to lack clarity such a weather is forbidden to cross the road with bicycle are forbidden to cross the road completely. Private roads are places where they are difficult to see. Private vehicles are prohibited from entering. Loss of educational function, especially in the medical plans section. There is no sight of the bicycle landing. Rules that bicycle cannot be run up after 3 p.m. Conservation of child more deferred collection are less interesting. Bathroom facilities are few. It's difficult for vehicles to move around due to the pedestrian on the road, although the designated road is quite wide. There are no prohibitions in the no picnic zone. Trash bin is the picnic area are blocking. There is no speed regulation for rental vehicle. There is no guest house that can be rented. Okay, next please. Benchmarking Kebun Raya Bogor again, strength, the big map profile at the botanical garden has recommend location accompanied by picture to attack species detection. Each garden has its own map, which only covers the garden, has interesting short info about the animal that live in each garden, has more varied conservation plans and conservation programs, has more variety in the education category. Talk di Kebun Raya Bogor virtual talk, botarium, study talk, and education class. Has two museums that can be visited. There are land areas that can be rented. Next, please. Okay, next, benchmarking Kebun Raya Cibodas. Weakness. The botanical garden does not have a physical burden for visitors to carry. All sites have not been replaced, reducing legibility. Some sites have small font and are difficult to read. Lack of sight warning of mankind, even though they are friendly, as well as regulation and procedures in interacting with them. SIG are hand to hit with a lot of writing and verified twice. The number of illegal parking attempts who demand payment for parking, even though parking is converted to be free, has less variety in the education category. Third, the botanical garden, Victor Cocodema class, gardening class, for bathroom facilities. The quality of toilet facility is very poor. Does not have a museum at all. There is no land area that can be rent. Strength can bring a vehicle in. In the big map profit at the botanical garden that are recommend location accompanied by picture to attract visitor attention. Site on the garden dark with image of blood flow makes visualization easier. Has a guest house that can be rent. Okay, next please. And this is about the positioning. Next, please. And this is about documentation. Okay, next.
For the cluster 3 will be explained by Arya.
Visual concept. The concept that we will use is to change some of the EGD display in the Bogor Botanical Garden, such a wayfinding frame and also icons, to be neater and more futuristic, and we will redesign using the design method that we have learned. The concept that we will use is to combine technology, culture, and minimalist appearance and give a neat impression to provide a new experience and convenience to visitors when they are in the Bogor Botanical Gardens. One of the themes we choose is a simple and neat style where visitor can easily understand the sign and style in several areas, especially on direction. Next, please. Wayfinding concept. The wayfinding concept that we use is an infographic concept by combining technology, design, and nature, where its wayfinding concept will focus on the placement and shape of the icon itself, especially on direction. This is important because of the large area of the botanical garden itself often make people confused and lost. But with this project, we hope that visitors will not get lost and can walk around without worrying about getting lost. In addition, we also make large tables that provide information relatable to what is in the Bogor Botanical Gardens. Next, please. Icon concept. There is an icon that is characterized by its leaf shape. This icon is not just an image, but also holds a deep meaning, describing the close connection between humans and nature. In Bogor Botanical Garden, which is known for its green and beautiful nature, this leaf icon is a perfect representation of the surrounding environment. The leaf as a symbol is in icon remind us of the importance of maintaining a harmonious relationship with nature. The Bogor Botanical Garden, which is filled with various types of plants and trees, creates a shooting and lively atmosphere. The leaf icon reflects the biodiversity and beauty of the ecosystem in the garden. Next, please. This is the we have made. Next, please. Cluster 4. Here we have complete the icon. Next, we are also frame where the concept of the frame that will be created using a minimalist concept. Next, please. Okay, here I have a mascot, but before that, I apologize because I forgot to change the link here. Besides that, we actually have several other mascots, but we forgot to put them in PPT. Next. And finally, we have a mock-up, which is if the EGD that we made is applied in real life, so that the result we made actually there are still some shortcoming from wayfinding and some other things that we cannot describe, but the rest we will make in the assignment book and we will pack it neatly and completely.
So, everyone, that's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention. So, thank you.